it up. And now we need to fuel the plow tractor. Keep it up. The soil for growing sunflowers. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Don't stop. We need to assemble a seeding machine. You're doing really great. To fuel the seeding machine. Hooray! Seeds. Wash the seeding machine. That's all. We need to assemble a self-propelled sprayer. First, let's fuel the self-propelled sprayer. Hooray! Let's fertilize the soil for quick growth of sunflowers. And now let's wash the self-propelled sprayer. Done! First, let's assemble a pickup truck. And now we need to fuel the pickup truck. Don't stop! The scarecrow to keep the birds away. We need to wash the pickup truck. Keep it up. First, let's assemble a pickup harvester. Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the pickup harvester. We did it! The sunflowers are ripe. It's harvest time. Keep it up. Let's assemble a grain truck. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the grain truck. Ready. Let's prepare the seeds before pressing the sunflower oil. Let's wash the grain truck. Move the brush to wash the dirt away. Move the brush away. Run the washer over the machine to clean up the rest of the foam. We did it! First, let's assemble a market truck. Drag the part to the right place. Ready. Fuel the market truck. We did it! Great! We've produced sunflower oil. Ready. And now we need to fuel the mini bulldozer. Done! Here and add some fertile soil. The mini bulldozer. Keep it up. We need to assemble a covered truck. Keep it up.